Maysama Urchin.
Hi everybody, this is Carol and you're watching the Oh Carol Show. And I'm going to show you this fantastic product by Maysama. It's a cleansing tool, a microcurrent tool, an LED light therapy, massaging, vibrating, and heat therapy for your face. It's amazing.
That is the LED without the massage. And you just go like this. And then here's the LED with the massage. And then it is the heat with the LED. And then this is the facial cleanser. But I happen to like it to massage my face with. It works very, very good. This is a great, great tool, I'm telling you. This little silicone scrubby is to wash your face with. But I also give myself a good massage while I'm washing my face. And then, when I'm putting on my creams, I use this also again. And then I'll take it off and I'll use the LED. It's kind of like shaving your face. You take that off, you go over your troubled areas, which is the jowls, the neck. Oh, it gives a great massage. Great massage. Now I'll put my makeup on. I wonder if I could put my makeup on with it. I wonder. I'm gonna try. It's on. You hear it. We're going to put this makeup on, the Insta filler, in the medium beige. And I'm going to show you swatches of the three of them. I have the true beige, medium beige, and sand beige.
This is true beige. Very dark and absolutely very pink. It's not showing up that way, but it is in real life. So let me put a swatch. True beige, very, very dark.
Let's see. I don't know. Maybe it works like the sonic brush. Bev Maysama. I don't know if it's supposed to be used for this, but I tell you, it moves everything around so smoothly. I like it. I'm just trying it. I like it. Wow. And that works pretty good. That works pretty good.
Wow.
Put on my makeup. I think it applied it perfectly. I love this. This is to wash your face. This is to tighten your face. This is heat, massage, and LED. I always like the 2 fingers. Wow, I'm really amazed. I've been using this day and night since I got it. It's just a fabulous, fabulous tool. It's compact and it's very, very strong. And you get microcurrent, LED, heat, facial cleanse, and, well, facial application. Makeup application. It did put it on very smooth. You don't have to put a heavy contour. You could just do a light with the bronzer, a light contour, kind of give it that shadow effect. This is a great, great highlighter. It's by L'Oreal Infallible Long-Wearing Shaping Stick in Highlighter. And easy to do. No. Wrong spot. Girls, get your HD Perfect Finish HD powder by E.L.F. Get it ASAP if you want to hide anything on your face. This will give you a perfect canvas and everything looks blurred. See that? It just smooths everything over. It's the greatest. It is the greatest, and it's as good as Lancome, Charlotte Tilbury, every jouer, every foundation, every makeup company there is. This one beats them all. $6. $6. If you have trouble with lipsticks wearing away, use an infallible, long-lasting lipstick as a liner, and your lips will stay on longer. I go over the liner with the light nude lipstick. And then, so this is the NYX Matte in Sable. This is Caramel Collector by Maybelline. And then this is the L'Oreal Galaxy Lumiere in Opal. No, in Ethereal Gold. And you see, it just goes. This is my lips. NYX Sable, Superstay Matte Inks in Caramel Collector, and L'Oreal Galaxy Lumiere Holographic Lip Gloss in Ethereal Gold. That's my nude. That's my nude selection today. My nude lips.